Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about US Digital Dollar project. Its token symbol is AUDD. It is TRC10 compatible wallet. You can see the token ID, owner address, precision, type, TRX number, total transaction, total token holder, total supply, and total issued here. Its created date is 2019 4/27. People voted. It is 90% safe. Now US Digital has public sale on vindax exchange. Launchpad on July 30, 13 UTC. In session 1, its session supply is 80 lakh AUDD and its price is 0.15 USDT. Its starting time is 30 July 13 UTC and its ICO is on BD market, BTC market, ETS market and USDT market. Session hard cap is 12 lakh USD and its target is 2,50,000 USD. On session 2, its session supply is 50 lakh AUDD. Its price is 0.20 USDT. Starting time 3 August 2019, 13 UTC. Its ICO is on PD market, BTC market, ETS market and USDT market. Session 2 hard cap is 10 lakh USD. Target is 2,50,000 USD. Its exchange trading price is 0.25 USD and its IEO sales bonus is buyer purchasing over 7,500 will get 10% rewards and buyer purchasing over $25,000 will get 20% reward. Bonus token distribution after 7 days from exchange trading. And US Digital is also organizing dollar bounty campaign. You can see all the details here. Project introduction here, project highlight also here. You can get all the common links from here, and it is bounty form. You have to put your email address which you have registered in AUDD and you can get 400 AUDD token worth $100 from this bounty, and refer your friends, family and neighbor to get additional 15 AUDD per referral. Enter your username or user ID from US Digital website here. Join all this official Telegram group. After that, subscribe all official Telegram channel. Enter your Telegram username here. After that, in Twitter campaign, you have to go to this link and follow them, like, comment and tag 5 friends. Write your Twitter profile link here. Write your link to retweet post. After that, in Facebook campaign, write your Facebook username. Write Facebook post link here. You have to follow, like, comment, minimum 50 characters or more, tag 5 friends and share. After that, in YouTube campaign, you have to subscribe, comment 50 characters or more and write your YouTube profile link here and create a YouTube video and on extra on the AUDD, minimum 5-minute video. You have to talk about AUDD project and its IEO sale and bounty campaign, and also share the video on AUDD Telegram group. After that, update your proof of screenshot here. And US Digital Dollar Medium campaign, you have to simply go to this link, follow them, like and comment in the post and post your Medium profile link here. After that, in Reddit campaign, you have to simply go to this link and follow them, comment, upvote, and post your Reddit profile link here. After that, go to GitHub and follow them, like and comment, and post your GitHub profile username here. In Us Digital LinkedIn campaign, go to this link and follow them, and go to this group and join this group, and paste your LinkedIn profile link here. After that, Us Digital token safe vote campaign, you have to simply go to log in here and simply go to this form, go to vote and click on save, and after that go to reviews and review about this project here, and post your comment review here. After that, you have to create account on Vindax exchange, complete your KYC, and post your Vindax exchange username here. After that, post your TRX wallet here and simply submit this form. Then you will get 400 AUDD token worth $100, and you can get additional 15 AUDD per referral. That's all for today's video. Okay, thank you for watching this video.